Everyone, myself Khushi Gupta, the student of class 10C of DAV Cooperative Senior Secondary Public School, Khalari Ranchi, Jharkhand is going to give information about road safety. This year, instead of Road Safety Week, a month of long camping National Road Safety Month will be observed from 18 January to 17 February in 2021 with the theme Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha by the Ministry of Road Transportations and Highways. Celebrating the safety campaign was initiated by the Information Security Standards, India Health Safety and Environment in order to make people aware about the National Road Safety in India Subcontinent Information Security Standard. India had declared it to celebrate the road safety work all through the country. The aim of this campaign was to emphasize in people about the need of safe road travels by applying just simple rules. Road safety is directly linked to life. Road safety is directly linked to life safety. With the number of road accidents increasing alarmingly, the road safety measures have become indispensable. According to the Road Accident Statistics India, 1214 roads crashes occur every day in India. 20 children under the age of 14 years died due to crashes of road in our country.
If you make a mistake and can't correct it, that is called your mistake. Hello everyone, myself Isha Sinha of class 9A from DAV Cooperative Senior Secondary School Khalari Ranchi. Today I am going to discuss a topic about importance of road safety. Now you are not so long a smaller kid who did not know the safety rule while walking on the road. There is a great saying, it is much be better to be safe than sorry. However, we tend to forget all these and become careless so much so that we risk our life and put it in danger. If we are riding bicycle, then be even more careful and make sure that our bicycle is in sound condition with light and proper brakes. Secondly, avoid to use bicycle on busy road and try to use public transport. However, there is no guarantee for these preventive measures. We able to fatal cases about road accident, but we definitely alert the damage remaining of road accident and following all the safety rule while walking on the road. So students remember, life doesn't have a reset button, so never be careless. I hope you all understand my word clearly and you educate other about the importance of road safety. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Priya of class 9C from DAV Cooperative Senior Secondary School Khalari. I am here to say few words on the topic causes of road accident for Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha. The major reasons of death in India are the road accidents and can be avoided by following the road safety rules. The major causes of road accidents are distracted driving. The driver can be distracted in various ways, such as using cell phone as well as eating food. The second point is drunk driving. When people consume alcohol, the response time and focus on the road reduces and increases the chance of accident. The third point is reckless driving. Speed changing, changing lane without looking, avoiding the road signs are all the signs of reckless driving. The fourth point is avoiding safety gears like seat belts and helmets. The seat belts and helmets double the chance of survival in serious accidents, and avoiding this may invite penalty. The fifth point is red light jumping. It is mostly sighted at the road intersections. Vehicle crosses the road without looking at the lights. At last, I would like to say, if you want to donate your blood, donate in the blood bank, not on the roads. Thank you.
It is better to lose 1 minute in life than to lose life in a minute. Hello everyone, myself Nirupma Singh Raja, Standard 9B from DAV Cooperative Senior Secondary School, Khalari, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Today I am here to discuss some of the preventive measures of road accidents. Every day, road accidents kill around 3,400 people in the world and around 1,50,000 people are injured. It is the number one cause of death among young people every year. Strap Safety tips for road accident prevention is a very important subject which all of us should be aware of and should be tried to implement with heart and soul. So many lives are lost every day on the road unnecessarily because of harsh driving, lack of awareness by the pedestrians, and many other incidental factors. A person driving a motor vehicle should have a valid driving license and Aadhaar registration certificate. It has been recorded that 1/4 of total deaths are caused by road accident. One child is killed in road accident in every 3 minutes in the world. Wear a seat belt, wear a life belt. One should drive the car with airbags and wearing seat belts to minimize the body injuries. To wear helmet. If one person does not wear helmet and the accident occurs, there is a chance of getting damage directly on the head. The traffic signals are meant for everyone. 20% of vehicles were found jumping the signals. Jumping the signal is the root cause for accident. It leads to traffic jams. One should not drive the vehicle in a wrong way. It is the shortest to reach, but it makes the life in danger. An unfortunate incident that happens unexpectedly and unintentionally typically results in damage or injury. We should use zebra crossing. Pedestrians should use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Speed limit should be followed. The government has issued some rules and regulations regarding the behavior of driver and vehicles, and thus the rules relating all these aspects are collided together to form traffic rules. The traffic rules are to be followed by each and every citizen in the lawful way for maintaining peace and reducing any road accident possible. There are various road signs that help to govern these traffic rules. For example, the traffic lights which guide the driver when and in which lane to move or park the vehicle. Government has also a separate department that looks into these affairs, and we all are familiar with these ground staffs, that is traffic police officer, which are deployed at every crossway in order to ensure that the traffic rules are properly followed, and if found guilty, the proper and required charges is to be paid. Traffic rules are made to make the life on the road easy, and one must follow it to keep oneself safe and others too. At last, I would like to say proactive and not reactive towards safety.
Hello everyone, myself Rani Kumari of class 9C from DAV Cooperative Senior Secondary School, Khalari. So here I am going to discuss about the precautions that we should take to prevent the accidents on the roads or the safety measures. So first precaution is, as they say that speed thrills but also kills. Keep a rein on your speed while driving the vehicle so that one is in better control on the vehicle. Second precaution is always put on helmets, seat belts or other safety equipments while driving the vehicles. Third precaution is never use your mobile phones, headphones or earphones while driving the vehicles. Fourth precaution is obey the traffic rules, signals, signs and the traffic rules before you hit the road. The final precaution is avoid drugs and alcohols while driving the vehicle. Now, the conclusions on the road safety. Road safety is very necessary nowadays as there has been too much increase in vehicles on the roads, and it's become necessary to follow the traffic laws, rules and keep ourselves safe and our families from the road accidents. Making people aware about the road safety rules could make our road safe. Thank you.